Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to delete Discord account. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for your girlfriend, boyfriend, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video. We're gonna start by opening up your Discord app. Once open up a Discord app, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look in the bottom right hand corner. We're gonna see your profile icon. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look on where it says account. Tap on account right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Just scroll a little bit down until you see where it says delete account right there. Tap on that. Then you're gonna select in order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all the server that you own. So you're either gonna decide to delete or you're gonna decide to transfer your ownership. Make sure you tap on OK right there. And to tap on OK right there, make sure you look on the upper left hand corner where it says back. Go back there. Then look on the bottom. As I arrive on this main screen right here, make sure you look on the bottom left hand corner. We're gonna see the Discord icon right there. Tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. You see where it says like direct message right there on the upper left hand corner. Tap on bottom. We're gonna select the KahindoTech server right there. As you see your server right there, make sure you look on the upper right hand corner where it says a 3 white dot, the menu right there. Tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive on this main screen right here, make sure you look to the mirror where it says we're gonna see the settings icon right there. Tap on setting icon. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive on this main screen right here, make sure you look where it says overview. Tap on overview right there. Then once you tap on overview, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. As we arrive on this main screen right here, make sure you scroll down until you see where it says delete server right there. Tap where it says delete server right there. Tap on that. Then say yes right there. Then just pull like other. Then it just doesn't matter if you want to do send feedback or not. It's up to you. Then once you've done that, then look on the bottom right hand corner. We're gonna see the profile icon. Tap on that. Then once you arrive, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look on where it says account. Tap on account right there. Then once you arrive on this main screen right here, scroll a little bit down until you find where it says delete account right there. Tap where it says delete account right there. Then now they're gonna ask you to put your password and tap OK. Once you're done putting your password. And that's how you delete Discord account. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.